In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do slides using Claude. Let's say you have a presentation to make or you have a pitch deck to deliver and you're looking for a quick way to make it happen, then this video is for you. Let's head up straight to my computer and let's get it started, okay? Now, there are two ways to do that. The first one is to use Claude to do everything, and the second one is to bring an existing document that you have already to Claude and convert it to slides, PowerPoint slides or a pitch deck, whichever one you want to call it. Let's start with the first one. Let's use Claude to do something very simple. I'll just ask Claude I want to take a class on AI monetization, the various ways people can make money with AI. I want you to come up with 5 possible ways anyone can make money with AI. Okay, something like that. The class is for people who are trying to understand the opportunities in AI and how they can earn from it. It's a 20-minute class. Everything should be straight to the point and very easy to understand. I just want something we can just use immediately and get started, okay? So I click enter and see what Claude will give me. Claude is asking me some series of questions. It says, here are a few questions I would like to ask. In case you're wondering why Claude is asking me these questions, because of my settings. I go to settings. Under general, I can see the settings I have here. Okay, it says, ask clarifying questions and be sure you understand what I want before proceeding. If you must ask me questions, make it an option format for me to choose or say something else. So what format do you want the class in? I want a script first, complete beginners. The next one is, what tone should the class have? Education and motivational. So you can see that's why Claude is asking these questions to be sure of what I want before proceeding. If you don't have that setting, Claude just go ahead and just start writing. He's beginning everything for me section by section. Now the next thing to do now, just come back here and I'll tell Claude to do one simple thing for me. I'll comment Claude, this is a nice one. Now convert it into a slide/pitch deck I can use in the class. All text should be well visible. Which color are we going to use now? Let's choose a color. It should be green and black. Black is neutral, but I'll just put green and black because it is AI, of course. So you can choose your own color you want. If you don't want green, you can choose anyone. Let me just put green. Everything should be well arranged and well illustrated. I think something like this is okay. For you, you can just go ahead and explain what you want in detail, but I don't want this class to be too long. Just explain yourself to Claude and you are good to go. So let's go now. He's building it. You can see he's building it. Calm down and allow Claude to do its thing. The time it will take for Claude to finish everything will depend on 2 things. Number 1, your network speed, and number 2, how big your project is. Okay, so imagine the slide is like 50 pages or 100 pages of slide. It will take more time than just 5 pages of slide or just few pages of slide. You get the point? So it's simple as that. Okay, so our project is ready. So now it's trying to present everything for us now. So let's see how it goes. So you can see our slide now. Our slide is ready. Let's say you don't like this particular color, you can just come back to your Claude here and say, I don't like the color and the design is not modern. I want it to look very professional and well presented. So which color are we going to use now? That is the second thing we're going to think of now. So let me see what Claude will say. Deep navy blue and white, charcoal black and gold, dark green and white. Let's go with deep navy blue and white, or charcoal black and gold. Let's go with charcoal black and gold. Now, what design style feels more professional to you? Let's go with this fourth one. So you can see, in case you don't like anything, you can come back and Claude will do other things for you. Okay, so we have our slide ready. Let's see what Claude will come up with this time around. So this is what Claude came up with. So I'll download it. When you just download this on there, we can preview it well and see what we have here. Okay, it does download, and I'll open it and see. So this is what Claude came up with. 5 ways to earn with AI. Okay, you can see different ones here now. Okay, you can see it here. Are you seeing it? 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 Okay, you can go through it, and if you like it, fine. If you don't like it, the same way we did it again, you can go back and readjust it. For me, I'm okay with this one. But the issue is that this third slide here now, the text here is competing with this one. Okay, this 5th slide here, and which one again? I think 5th and 7th slide. Adjust the 5th and 7th slide. The text overlapping with the bottom text box, something like that, and 8th slide. Then there's something I want to do again. Avoid transparent background and make the cover a single cover about the class. And the next slide, the table of contents. If you like the font, you can leave the font the way it is. If you don't like the font, you can change the font. For me, make the font poppins. That's all. If you know what you want to do already, I'm just taking this from scratch so that you can have an idea. For me, before I start anything, I have my colors already, I have my my style already. I just impute it and boom, have everything straight. But you can see how we are bringing everything gradually. So if you have it set like this, anytime you're coming back, you get what you want straight up. This is the last one and we are done. So let's wait for Claude to finish its work. Okay, let's see what Claude will come up with. Now we have something ready to go. You can see how it fixed all of them. So now I can download it. We can preview it now where now you can see our slide now. It's far better than where we started. You can see it now presented by Dev23 Creative Agency. Like this is my name in the Claude already. So it knows my name. So for you, you can just put your own name. 5 ways to make money with AI. A 20-minute beginner class on real opportunities in the AI economy for beginners. No tech background required. You can see the first slide now, which is the cover. Okay, the second slide, which is table of content. You can see it here. You can see it, what we cover today, table of content. Now, also other slides. Now, you can see other slides. Now, the first one, which is the AI content writing, you can go through it, boom, present. The next one, AI digital product, you can see it here. The next one, faceless video channel. The next one, AI business automation. The next one, teaching AI to others. Your 5 parts to AI income. You can see everything, like the summary of everything. Now, this is like the last page now. Now, we are done with this part. Now, the second question you ask, what if I have a document and I want to convert it to slide? Now, let's do that quickly. Okay, you can open a new Claude or you can continue from the one we just finished doing now. So, okay, you can open a new Claude or just continue from this one. And if you want to continue from this one, just click on this plus button here. Go to add files or photo. Then you go and look for a particular file you want. Let me look for a particular file. This is a short one. This is a proposal for a project. Okay, let me use this one. I'll bring this one in and it will load. I'll now tell Claude. Just the same thing we did. The first one, we have our content already, which is this one. I will ask Claude to convert it to what? To slide for us. Now, I'll just tell Claude to convert this document to slide for me. This one is more easier because Claude understands what I've been doing already. So it's just follow the pattern and just convert this to slide for us. So I'll just click on enter. So let's see what it will show us. While Claude is working on this one, let's open a new Claude. Let me show you how to do that from scratch also. So I'll open a new Claude and I click on this button here. The same thing, click on file or photo, then you bring in the file, which is this one. I'll just say, okay, the same thing. I want you to convert this document into pitch deck / slide for me, ready for presentation. Simple instruction. And let's see what Claude will do. Okay, you can go ahead and explain to Claude what you want, the color you want, and all that. If I have the color code, you can just paste the color code for Claude and Claude will do it for you. What tool should I use to create this? PPT, of course. Okay, you can use Canva, you can use any other one, but PPT is PowerPoint, which is the best. Okay, let me just put bold and branded. Let me just put yes. Yeah, keep it as pricing to be discussed. Yeah. Don't leave it like that. Now, the two of them are building now. This first one is building and the second one is building. This one will just continue with the conversation we have been having, and this one is just a new one. In case you are wondering, what if I don't have a conversation and this is my first time I have a document I want to upload, and you know how to get that done. Okay, so let's wait and see what they will come up with. Okay, our Claude is done. So this is the first one. Okay, the one I just added the document. I can see what we have here now. And let's see the second one. Oh, let me delete this part. The second one is this one. Which one do you like? Let me download the two of them. This is the second one and this is the first one. Okay, so let's open this first one. Let's preview the first one, then we'll preview the second one and see how it is. Okay, so this is the first one. You can see it here now. Project expansion. That is the title. Okay, project proposal 2. Like it's a proposal that I sent to someone for a project you're working on. You can see everything here, long form video, faceless channel, and all that. Okay, so we can start scrolling and see time to scale. A brief explanation on what we have done in the phase 1 and the goal for the phase 2 and all that. You can see it here. The second slide is 2 YouTube channel, like what I'm going to be delivering. You can see it here. You can see 2 YouTube channel only. If you go through the proposal, you understand what all this thing means. 1 YouTube channel plus current short form channels. You can see different stuff. You can see how it explains everything. Ready to move into phase 2. You can see select the option that aligns with your vision and expansion goals and all that. This is the end of the slide. Okay, so let's check the second slide and see what we have there. Okay, it looks like this second slide is more. I like the second slide. I don't know about you, but this is our second slide and we can check it and see project expansion proposal. This is the phase 2, a strategic growth plan for SSI, the host, which is the client. And you can see other stuff here where we are now. You can see where we are now. I love this. I love this. Okay, you can see where we are now. Expand, build, authority, monetize. You can see everything under it. You can see the next one, which is 2 YouTube channel plus current short form. You can see everything explained in detail. You can see 2 YouTube channel only. You can see it again. 1 YouTube channel plus current form. You can see side-by-side comparison. I love this particular one. The investment part is structure built for long-term growth and explains everything. The next part, what I handled end-to-end, channel setup, research, script writing or scripting, voice over editing as SEO and uploads. Okay, everything I'm going to be doing for the channel. You can see next slide, which is the last one. Let's build the next level. You can see everything here. Review the 3 options above. Select the options that align with your vision. We finalize a pricing model that works for both of us. Move immediately into execution. Looking forward to building the next level with you. You can see now, this is a pitch deck that I can just use and present to this client here. You can see very simple, straight to the point. So I believe by now you know how to create slides using Claude. If you have watched this video to this end, then I would recommend you watch this particular video here. And before you go ahead to watch this video, subscribe to this channel so you can see me frequently and we'll be learning a whole lot of things together. Bye for now. I remain Joshua, the Joe.